Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel.
Yeah guys, I'm here with another braid video. So I just want to talk about braids. Braids is so complex structure or pattern formed by interlacing two or more strands of flexible materials such as yarn, wire or hair. Braids have made for thousands of years, so it's been in vogue for many years, but just that as the year comes by, it's kind of like really being modernized by our stylists out there in many different cultures around the world. So different countries the way they braid their hair, but I think the Americans are being so stylish about this braid. They've been rolling out a lot of styles. They're just being creative about it. African hair braiding is very versatile. So it can come in micro braids, cornrow, fishtail braids. Sometimes you see blocky kind of braids, black braided buns, twist braids, tree kind of braids, name it. So many braids out there. And the one I love most is the micro braids, most especially the knotless braid. So beautiful, and that is perfect for if you have a fine hair, you don't have so much of a bulky hair, so the micro braids is gonna look so cute on your hair, most especially when your scalp is kind of visible. But if you have a very thick and your hair has a lot of volume, so micro braid may still be okay for you, but it's gonna be like so much, and it's gonna be you have a whole lot of braid strands on your head, and which may kind of be so heavy for you depending on the extension you using. So guys, I'll leave you guys to watch this video, look at the styles. Definitely you're going to see what you like. So yes, winter is coming. You need to protect your hair. You need to do so many protective styles. You need to cover up that hair to prevent it from breaking, over dryness, and too much manipulation. So if you see the style you like here, just give this video a thumbs up. I will see you right after this video. welcome back, guys, for watching my video down to this stage. If you love this video, how about to give it a thumbs up? Yes, give this video a thumbs up, like, yes, as well thumbs up, share this video, which is very important. I will see you in my next